OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Project Management. The OTHM Level 7 Diploma Project Management qualification is designed to meet the needs of senior managers responsible for projects and provide a comprehensive understanding of the fundamental topics needed to manage business projects within a complex and ever-changing environment. This qualification will develop a deeper understanding of both theoretical and practical aspects of project, program, and portfolio management and facilitate the essential skills and competences necessary to plan, monitor, control and deliver successful projects, programs, and portfolios. For entry onto the OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Project Management qualification, learners must possess an honours degree in related subject or UK Level 6 diploma or an equivalent overseas qualification. Mature learners with management experience. Learners must be 21 years or older at the beginning of the course. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, must provide evidence of English language competency. The OTHM Level 7 diplomas on the regulated qualifications framework are at the same level as master's degrees. However, they are shorter and learners will have to proceed to the dissertation stage 60 credits with university to achieve a full master's program. The OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Project Management qualification consists of 5 mandatory units for a combined total of 120 credits, 1,200 hours total qualification time and 480 guided learning hours for the completed qualification. Mandatory units of OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Project Management are planning, controlling and leading a project, procurement risk and contract management, advanced project and logistics management, operations and information management for project managers, advanced research methods. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937, 0092321505 6755.